guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, my name is Side Hustle Keisha. On this channel, we share videos on tips and ways for you to make money from home. So we share with you full and part-time and side hustle opportunities where you can make money from home. We share amazing opportunities where you can find a job and actually go into the office. But we also share side hustles where you might have to go outside of the home so that you can make money to fund that business, that dream that you can work from your laptop and have that laptop freedom lifestyle. But our goal is to allow you to do something else, add extra streams of income. Those of you who want to have multiple streams, we learned in the last 18-21 months that we definitely need extra streams because what we just went through, it's no telling if we're gonna go through this again and for the next year or another 2-3 years from now. So we definitely want to have multiple streams, and this is a cool side hustle. You can do this as a side hustle. You could turn it into a new business. I'm going to share with you some success stories. So I want you guys to stay connected. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification button so every time I upload a video, you're in the know. Make sure you drop below in the comment. It definitely helps the algorithm. Somebody needs to hear what I have to say because they need to make an extra $500, $1,000, $1,500, $2,000, $3,000 a month, and this may be the opportunity for them. So if you be so kind to like this video, drop a comment below. If you do this opportunity, I would like for you to come back and let me know how it worked out for you. Okay, so stay connected. Watch this video that comes after this, and I want you to watch all the way to the end, and then I wanted you to tell me what you think. Okay, stay connected. Okay, you guys, flipping pallets is a major business. You can make a lot of money taking the returns from Overstock, Walmart, or Amazon and selling it for, of course, less than what they're selling it online because they're return items. A lot of the items are not damaged, okay? But you definitely want to inspect your pallet before you purchase it. And the training that I want to direct you to will be able to tell you how you check your pallet, check the wholesaler or warehouse that you're purchasing from, or the online company that you're going to be purchasing from. But I went to Big D's in Dallas, and he walked me through how you would purchase a pallet and how much you can make once you break down that pallet and sell it online, whether you sell it on Marketplace, OfferUp, Let Go. There's something called Nextdoor. There's a lot of different places where you can sell things, eBay, if you choose to do that, right? So it's just an opportunity for you to create some type of income. If you have an extra $500, $600 where you can purchase an item and you can turn that $500 to $1,000 or turn that $600 to $1,200, $1,400, depending on what you get on that pallet. Because a lot of times there are a lot of surprises in those pallets, and they're worth more than what you even think because you can't see everything. You can see the stuff on the outside, but you can't see all the stuff in the middle by scanning it. And you can really, really make some cool extra money. And because Christmas is coming, I wanted to share this with you guys so that you guys have an opportunity to see an option for you and your family, or you and your friends, or you and your partners to create an extra stream of income. And actually, if you guys really look at this video, you'll see furniture, you'll see home improvement items, lawn care. A lot of people who started flipping one pallet at a time are now doing 3 pallets or getting trucks delivered to small storefronts where they're focusing on one particular niche, whether that may be furniture or that may be home improvement items, and they're selling it and just turning over products so fast. So this can be a side hustle, and this could turn into a full-fledged business. And I want to share with you, you'll see in the video, towards the end of the video, you see some pictures of a woman who started out at the beginning of the pandemic, and she started doing pallets because she's a stay-at-home mom and her husband worked a full-time job, and she ended up just focusing on a particular niche, and that was furniture. And she ended up just doing furniture and turning over so much furniture at like a discount furniture store. She has now 3 locations, I believe. So I wanted to share this opportunity with you guys. If you're interested, the link will be below for the training. You must take the training to get educated because I don't want you guys to be misled. I don't want you to get scammed. I want you to get the list of warehouses that you could use in your area. She gives you a list of warehouses. Coach Ashley will give you a list of warehouses all over the U.S. and even 4 warehouses online that you can purchase from. She also talks to you about mystery boxes. Someone got iPhone watches in a mystery box, and they were like making so much money. So if you look at the videos towards the end, you'll be able to see some of the boxes that her students have purchased and made amazing amount of money. So I wanted to share this with you because I know a lot of people need extra money right now, need money for the holidays that are coming, need money to fund a project, the business that they're working on, because they don't have all the capital to do so. This may be the vehicle for you to do that. So I definitely want to share this opportunity with you guys, and the link will be below in the description box. You just click on it, it'll take you right to the course. Look, you guys, I did the course in an hour, maybe an hour and 30 minutes, and went to the warehouse that same day, picked up a pallet and started selling it. And I wanted to share this opportunity with you because I think it's a great way for those of you who are not savvy online with trying to start a business and, online. This is a great place to start and then graduate and take some other courses to get educated on how to, really scale your business online, right? So I hope this has been helpful for you guys. I want you guys to watch the video to the end because there's some pictures of some success stories of some of the students that have taken the class. I just wanted to share this class. I don't teach the class. I took the class. I think it's amazing. There will be a link in the description box where you can check it out. This is a young lady who opened up several warehouses for furniture after taking this class. So I wanted to share with you some of the success stories, and then let you see some of the pictures of real life students going to get their pallets. And this is what they purchased. Like, I think this was a $400 pallet, and something on one item on it was $400. Here's the watches. Here, look at all those appliances and lawn care stuff. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button. Okay, have a good day.